The Hilti DD150BT is a powerful diamond core drill designed for efficient and precise drilling in concrete, reinforced concrete, asphalt, and masonry. It operates on 230V, 50 Hz power, and weighs 21.7 kg without a core bit. The drill offers 3-speed gearing with no load speeds of 650, 1200, and 2000 RPM, and is compatible with core bits ranging from 8 to 162 mm in diameter. It features a real-time feedback display, Bluetooth connectivity, a 360-degree adjustable side handle, and a high-performance motor for optimal drilling performance. It's ideal for professional contractors and construction workers who require a reliable and efficient drilling solution. Variant welding machines are specifically designed for efficient and precise welding of truck, tarpaulins, and tents. These machines utilize hot air welding technology to fuse PVC-coated fabrics, ensuring strong and durable seams. Variant welding machines are versatile, capable of handling various welding tasks, including overlap welding, tape welding, and Spiegel welding. They offer high-performance hot air blowers and precise temperature control for fast and efficient welding. With user-friendly features like automatic start-stop, nozzle in-out, and material lift, these machines prioritize safety. Their accurate temperature control and nozzle design ensure precise and consistent welds built with robust construction and high-quality components. The Pezzol Rambler Fast is a high-performance safety boot designed for comfort, protection, and durability. Featuring a water-resistant leather upper with TPU protection inserts and a BOE fit system, it offers a secure and customizable fit. The Gore-Tex membrane provides breathability and waterproofness, while Thinsulate B600 insulation keeps feet warm. The fiberglass PZX Towie Cap offers lightweight protection, and the dual-component Icon Pew Rubber Vibram Fire Ice SRC RO sole ensures excellent traction, heat resistance, and slip resistance. Meeting an ISO 2345:2011 standards for safety footwear, including S3, WRCI, Hawaii, SRO, and SRC, the Rambler Fast is ideal for various work environments, including construction. The Makita HM004G is a powerful cordless breaker, powered by 240 VMAX X GT Li-ion batteries in series, delivering 80 VMAX of power, with an impact energy of 72.8 joules and 870 impacts per minute. It efficiently handles demanding demolition and breaking tasks. The brushless motor delivers high power and efficiency, while the anti-vibration technology reduces vibration for user comfort. The Auto Start wireless system enables automatic start-stop with compatible dust extractors. The twin LED job lights provide excellent illumination and the constant speed control. The HP SitePrint is an autonomous robotic solution designed to streamline construction site layout processes. It can print at speeds of up to 5,314 FTH on various surfaces, including rough concrete and plywood. The printer is compact and portable, making it easy to transport to different job sites. With its simple layout management tools and durable ink options, the HP SitePrint is a versatile solution for construction professionals, saving time and reducing errors in the layout process. It can print lines, text, dashed lines, curved lines, and circumferences, making it a comprehensive tool for various construction tasks. It also features obstacle avoidance capabilities, ensuring safe. The Forged Air Respirator system offers a comfortable and effective solution for respiratory protection. The medical-grade silicone respirator features adjustable head straps for a customizable fit and is compatible with various filters and visors. The clear, anti-fog polycarbonate visor provides protection against airborne particles and liquid splashes. The large filter area and low breathing resistance ensure easy breathing and clear communication. The modular design allows for customization to meet specific needs and preferences. Forged air respirators are ideal for healthcare professionals, construction workers, and other individuals who require reliable respiratory protection in various environments, especially during times of increased airborne contaminants. The Trimble XR10 is a mixed reality headset designed for construction and engineering professionals. It combines the power of Microsoft HoloLens 2 with industry-specific features and certifications for safe and efficient work on construction sites. With its see-through holographic lenses, 4 visible light cameras, 2 IR cameras, and a 1 MP time of flight depth sensor, the XR10 enables users to visualize 3D models, access remote expertise, and collaborate with team members in real time. It is compatible with industry-standard hard hats and safety gear, meeting safety standards for use in hazardous environments. This powerful tool can significantly enhance productivity and accuracy on construction sites. The TerraTrack R1 is a cutting-edge terrain mapping tool designed to enhance horizontal, directional drilling operations. It provides real-time topographical data, enabling precise bore planning and execution. With its user-friendly interface, rugged construction, and compatibility with various smart devices, the TerraTrack R1 helps HDD crews improve efficiency, reduce risks, and achieve more accurate drilling results. The R1 can measure and map precise elevations and distances along drill paths, allowing for accurate bore planning and execution. It can be used to visualize underground hazards, such as utilities, helping to avoid costly and disruptive strikes. The TerraTrack R1 empowers HDD crews to make informed decisions. The DJI Grass T50 is a high-performance agricultural drone designed for efficient spraying and spreading operations. With a payload capacity of up to 40 kg for spraying and 50 kg for spreading, it can cover large areas quickly and effectively. The drone's flight time of up to 35 minutes and maximum speed of 15 ms allow for efficient operation. The 360-degree multi-directional obstacle sensing system ensures safe flight, while the dual atomizing spraying system provides precise and efficient application. Features like real-time weighing, variable rate application, and modular design further enhance the Grass T50's capabilities, making it a valuable tool for modern agriculture. By automating tasks such as spraying and spreading, the GEDA battery ladder lift is a compact and portable material lift designed for efficient transportation of materials up to 120 kg. With a lifting speed of 15 meters per minute and a 24 V10 Li-ion battery, it offers quick and reliable operation. The easy assembly and disassembly process, along with its compact design, make it convenient to transport and store. Equipped with safety features and a radio remote control, the battery ladder lift ensures safe and efficient material handling. It's ideal for a variety of construction and renovation tasks, making it a valuable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, especially for jobs in confined spaces or where access to power sources is limited. Its battery-powered operation provides flexibility and eliminates the need for a power source. The Sarcos Guardian XO is a full-body, powered exoskeleton designed to amplify human strength and endurance. With a payload capacity of up to 90 kg and a battery life of up to 8 hours, the Guardian XO can significantly enhance worker productivity and reduce the risk of injuries. The advanced control systems and ergonomic design ensure precise and intuitive operation, minimizing physical strain and fatigue. This powerful exoskeleton is ideal for industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and construction, where heavy lifting and repetitive tasks are common. By augmenting human capabilities, the Guardian XO can revolutionize the way work is done in various industries, leading to increased efficiency, reduced injury rates,